All right, drawing class. Okay, this is going to be the last mini sighting drawing until we have, and then you're going to have a large sighting drawing. So this is, I want to talk about angle, measuring with angles, measuring vertically and measuring horizontally. So this is different than like the unit of measurement where you're measuring, you know, like size. This is to kind of use along with that to make sure you're getting everything in the right location. So I'm going to draw this circle. Again, because my photo is so big, I'm just going to do one-to-one. You probably won't be doing one-to-one, but you can use what we learned about the unit of measurement to enlarge if you need to. This circle. And also, you remember you are going to be drawing your objects from life instead of from a photo like I am. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of make like a shape of this guy. And the ball, kind of, my eye level was looking up a little bit. Okay, let's see, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So because I was looking up, it wasn't straight up and down. So put this. Okay, so this. Okay, so there's the bottle. Now what I'm gonna do to get like the location of the head, so instead of like measuring over, which I could do, I'm gonna do this. And so from the top of the bottle to the head of the caterpillar, like that, I'm gonna do this. So now I know, like, that is there. So the caterpillar is here. I think my ball's a little big. Yeah, my ball is. Okay, so So part of my problem is, okay, let me draw this. This is what I want you to do. Just draw the line that you measure. That will help me. And I had the head up too short. That's why I was like, how do I fit all the caterpillar in there? It's because my head, if you look at it, the head is like right below the number 2 of the height. So that's right here. And it fits within this angle right there. So I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I am going to check like the bottom of the head. Where is that located? And it's located like right here. So on the head right here. And so this kind of comes up into it, and then there's just a dip down from there. So making sure everything's lined up. The bottom of the caterpillar is lined up with the bottom of the ball, so I can put another line there to know. So I think something's wrong there, because it, like, if you look at this, the angle of this, the axis of this is like this, and I do not have it like that. So this is why, as you're drawing, you want to make adjustments if something's wrong, which makes sense because it does feel like this is too far over. So I am going to change this. Don't feel afraid to erase and make mistakes. That's why we draw with pencils and not pens. Okay, so this shape is going to go this way, and this shape is going to go too much. I didn't have that high enough up. Okay. And then okay, that's good enough. Okay. I didn't do a horizontal, but let's see here. You can see that the center of this is aligned with the foot right there. So I'll do that as my horizontal. this line down. I want you to keep all these lines. I know it's annoying, but to have, but that way I can see that you were doing it. Okay, so when you're done, so again, you're gonna pick 3 objects. Okay, so you're gonna pick 3 objects to draw, and my caterpillar eyes. And the objects in your drawing, you need to have a angled line, a horizontal, a vertical line, and a horizontal line that you're using to measure 2 objects together or within one object. So, for example, I used this angle. So I measured what that angle would be, and that helped me figure out where the head would be. And then I used horizontal to figure out where the height of the head in relationship to this part of the bottle, knowing that that was the measurement of 2 of the ball. And then I used the horizontal to find the bottom of the head in relationship, I'm not sure what I did with that one. Oh, in relationship to the bottom of the head to where the tummy was, and then the relationship of the bottom of the caterpillar to the ball. And so you only need 1 horizontal, but you can have more. Use as many as you need, but just leave those lines on there. And again, this is a sketchy drawing. It doesn't need to have detail or anything. It just needs to look like the object, and you need to have some references on how you're citing drawn into it, and that you're not erasing all of those marks. All right, I hope that helps.